Welcome to the Showroom Spotlight. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting return of a true American icon, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. A modern twist on a timeless classic. The Chevrolet Bel Air first captured hearts in the 1950s, with its bold lines, chrome accents, and unmistakable presence on the road. The 2025 model pays homage to that era while reimagining the car for today's automotive world. From its sleek exterior to the iconic tail fins and signature front grille, every detail is designed to evoke nostalgia without feeling outdated. The 2025 Bel Air keeps the spirit of the past alive, while adding a contemporary touch that makes it stand out in today's market. Exterior design, retro meets modern. On the outside, the 2025 Bel Air is a stunning blend of retro and futuristic styling. The long, sweeping body lines give it a graceful, aerodynamic look, while the refined chrome accents elevate its premium feel. The front end features a modern take on the classic Chevrolet grille, framed by sleek LED headlights that add a touch of sophistication. The rear tail fins, while more subtle than the originals, still bring back that nostalgic flair, and the new larger wheels enhance the overall stance, making the Bel Air a showstopper wherever it goes. Performance, power and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air offers multiple powertrain options, ensuring there's something for everyone. At the base level, a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivers a great balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking more performance, a 5.7-liter V8 engine is available, offering thrilling acceleration and an unforgettable exhaust note. There's also a hybrid variant, combining a gas engine with electric motors to provide improved fuel economy without sacrificing performance. All models feature a refined suspension system and advanced chassis tuning, delivering a smooth, comfortable ride that's equally suited for city streets and long highway drives. Interior, classic comfort, cutting-edge technology. Step inside, and the 2025 Bel Air offers an interior that's just as impressive as its exterior. The cabin embraces a retro-inspired design with luxurious touches, such as leather upholstery, wood trim accents, and a dashboard that blends vintage styling with modern tech. The digital instrument cluster and large touchscreen display are seamlessly integrated, giving the driver easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system come standard, making sure the Bel Air stays connected no matter where you go. In terms of comfort, the Bel Air offers spacious seating for up to 5 passengers. The front seats are highly adjustable and heated, while the rear seats provide ample legroom for adults, making this car as practical as it is stylish. Safety and technology, advanced features for the modern driver. While the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is steeped in history, it's also packed with cutting-edge safety features that make driving safer and more enjoyable. Standard driver assistance features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. The Bel Air also offers parking sensors and a surround view camera system, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and urban environments. The latest version of Chevrolet's MyLink infotainment system allows for smooth smartphone integration, voice command functionality, and even wireless charging. Whether you're taking a long road trip or just running errands around town, the Bel Air ensures you stay connected and in control. Driving experience, a smooth, responsive ride. Behind the wheel, the 2025 Bel Air offers a refined driving experience that's both comfortable and exhilarating. The advanced suspension system soaks up bumps and road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride, while the precise steering and well-tuned chassis deliver a dynamic driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight corners, the Bel Air strikes the perfect balance between performance and comfort. For those opting for the V8 or hybrid models, the driving experience is further enhanced by responsive acceleration and smooth power delivery. The Bel Air legacy continues. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air is a masterful reimagining of a beloved classic, and it's more than just a car, it's a statement. By combining timeless design with state-of-the-art technology, Chevrolet has created a vehicle that honors its history while pushing the boundaries of what a modern car can offer. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or simply appreciate great design and performance, the 2025 Bel Air is sure to leave a lasting impression. Conclusion. That's a wrap on our comprehensive look at the 2025 Chevrolet Bel Air. This car brings together the best of both worlds, nostalgia and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews and automotive news here on the Showroom Spotlight. Thanks for tuning in.